That's right. In this video, I'm going to talk about how you can make money texting on your smartphone. Okay, I get a lot of people asking me, Marissa, I want to make money online, but I don't have a computer or I don't have a laptop right now. You know, how can I make money with just using my smartphone? Okay, you do have to have a smartphone. Okay, not like one of those flip phones or anything like that. Obviously, and also if you can't text and you don't know how to text, this isn't going to be for you. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to this channel to see more money making ways, systems, sites to make money with. I make these videos right now because people want a range of things they can choose from, you know, going from super easy things like I'm going to share in this video to more along the lines of still simple, but more like business related things that can really explode their income. So again, give this video a like if you like the sound of that and subscribe if you haven't already. All right. So what you're going to want to do is head on to your app store. This can be done with an Android as well, but I mean, I have Apple products. So for me, it's the little iTunes app store or whatever. And so what you're going to download is an app called OneQ. Okay. Now, if you want to go on a computer right off the bat to kind of just like look at the site, you can just go to oneq.com and you'll get taken to this site here. OneQ is a market research platform. Okay. There are companies that are maybe either just starting out or maybe they are already existing and they need to get some feedback on what people like, what people are buying, what are people interested in. Maybe either in products that they're thinking about creating for their business or, you know, just trying to see how people are interacting with certain companies or products or services today. So OneQ has an audience of people that do not mind getting, you know, surveys and questions getting sent to their phone via text message, or if you have the app downloaded, okay, to, you know, participate in kind of a market research case study, if you will, for a lot of these companies, okay? So obviously a lot of people don't want to like sit around watching ads all day or, you know, answering questions all day just for no reason. So there are platforms like OneQ, okay, that will pay you a little bit of money each time you complete one of their polls they actually send to you. You get paid 25 cents to $1 per survey that you actually complete on your phone. We want to sign up, right? So here's what we're going to do. We're going to press sign up. I'm using on my computer. I could do it on my phone, but I don't have a way right now to record my screen on my phone. I should probably just do that. And so we're going to go ahead and sign up, okay? I'm going to go ahead and press sign up with Facebook. This is like the easiest way to sign up for things. So I'm just going to go ahead and just sign up that way. Now, here's a tip, okay, about OneQ. I've heard that like if you just signed up and if you just did what I just did on the screen, and that's it. Okay, great. And you kind of let them know your phone number. That's great. You can get some surveys to you. But what I've come to find out is there's kind of a limit to how many text messages or surveys you get. So a tip is when you get to this part, fill your profile section out completely. You'll get more of a chance to get qualified for even to get more survey polls sent to your phone. So I'm going to go ahead and fill this out. I can tell this site is, wow, I'm pretty shocked at some of the questions on here. So I got to this part right here where it says members who choose 25 cents will receive more questions. So right here you can kind of pick how much you want to make per text survey for right now. So you know what, I'll go with 25. We'll just, you know, kind of see here. So we're gonna have to consent to all of this. Okay, PayPal. Put in your PayPal and stuff. Gonna get a code here soon, I'm guessing. Yep, right there. And I'm gonna go ahead. It says do not share with anybody. So I'm gonna have to blur this out as well. Sign me up. Now just sit back, relax, and questions will be sent to your phone as they are available. If you want even more, oh my God. If you want any more questions, complete optional items 2 through 4 to maximize your earning potential. So I have to go ahead and download the app on here. So they actually texted me the link to the app for me to download. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on that and download it. The app is pretty much, it's optional. If you want to get more surveys, you have to download the app. But let's say like I don't know, you don't have enough space on your phone or something to download the whole app or to download the app, you're still going to get text messages of, surveys and things like that. I may make an update video and let you know my progress is going. While this is downloading, I went to a site to see, some reviews, okay, on 1Q. I was doing some research and I found not a lot, but I found a decent amount of platforms like this. And from just the reviews I've seen on a lot of the other ones, it seems like 1Q is probably like one of the best ones. So some of these are negative, some of these are positive. It's up to you on how you take this. So we got one here. 1Q pays me all the time. I earn $6 to $9 a day. The secret is you need to update your profile often to keep the questions coming. So there you go. There's a little tip there. I love Q. I keep wanting to say Q1. That's my dyslexia. All right. I love 1Q. There are some great benefits. This person seemed like they had a really weird time connecting their PayPal to their account. So with this one, this actually brings up a pretty good point. This is going to be best for people who have like unlimited text messaging or data, whatever you call it. I have unlimited text. So for the people that are on plans where they have to like pay for texting, I don't know that this would be the best, but for sure, like for those of you who have unlimited like talk or text, you could do this for sure. I'm using the app. I like it. They pay right away. The only thing is it takes a while for the questions to come up. Other than that, I like it. So it seems pretty good. And I've gone on other sites that have even more reviews, and they all seem to like Q1. I said Q1 again, freaking 1Q. So I'm downloading the app here and I'm opening it up. And also another thing I found out was like, if you allow the notifications and also allow something with your location, them kind of, I guess maybe seeing your location, if you're not okay with that, you don't have to. If you allow it, okay, you can also get a chance to get more surveys to your phone. All right, so I downloaded the app. As you can see, this is now checked off. So now I should be able to get more surveys. I'll make an update video on how this actually goes. But for now, you guys can jump right in, go on to 1Q and get started. This isn't something that's going to make you rich or anything like that, but this is something if you just want to make a little bit of extra money, and especially because you get paid in PayPal instantly. If you don't know, you can go to PayPal and get a debit card. You can have them send you a debit card. So what's really cool about PayPal, which I freaking love, ever since I started making money online from home and I use when I would use PayPal, you get that debit card, and any money you have in your PayPal account, you can just use your debit card. So it's like a bank. So, this is something where you do eventually kind of get to where you're making, I don't know, 10 bucks a week or whatever. I mean, like, and it's going to your PayPal instantly. You can just use your debit card, at most places, you're shopping at, and, use that money in your account. If you're somebody like, that's pretty cool. You can text and make a little bit of money on the side, right? That's pretty cool, but maybe you're looking for something that can more so turn into something where you can make a full-time income with. There's a link in my video description below you can click on to see right now, my #1 personal way I've been making a full-time income online. You can check that out. You'll get taken to a survey that says if you're approved or not for what I'm even doing. And once you go through that, you'll see me on the other side and I'll explain more. It's more for serious people and more for people who are wanting, like kind of more of like a business to, like I said, start and scale to whatever level you want to scale it to. So anyways, that's pretty much it. Talk to you guys later.